Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and enthusiastic. Today, we are going to start first poem of your English book, Flamingo. The name of your first poem, My Mother at 66, which was written by Kamla Das. Kamla Das was born in Malabar, Kerala, and she is recognized as one of the India's foremost poets. Her works are known as originality, versatility, and indigenous flavor of the soil. So, as I always recommend to the students, before starting any such kind of chapter, we have to understand about three things. First of all, about the writer, poet. Second thing, about the explanation of poem, and third thing about what is the important literary devices has been used in that particular poem. So without wasting a time, we are going to start the first one. Okay, first paragraph. Now you all have to take a book in your hand that will very helpful to understand about this poem. So here we go. Driving from my parents' home to coaching last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. So here is the poet is her on way to the Cochin airport with her old mother sitting beside her. She looks at her closely and presents before us her image. And what is the image is here? Those open mouth, her face ashen like that of corpse, and realized with pain that she was as old as looked, but soon put that thought away. One thing, dear students, that I want to tell you, there is no such a rhyming word used in the stranger. So we have to get pause in particular preposition or some comma or some full stops is over there, then we have to get pause. Otherwise we have to complete the statement in a line way or in a sentence. So here the writer, here the poetess again explain that she compares her is indicate to her mother, her with a corpse, and here is she used a simile figure of speech comparison between her mother's face and corpse, and she told that she looks at her mother pale and pallid face. She is struck with horror and pain of losing her, because the thought and the revolting ideas which is coming in her mind was totally different, and looked at her young trees sprinting, merry children spilling out their homes, but the airport security check is standing few yards away. So the writer is again explaining what the poet is pained and shifts attention outside the car, because she did not want to look her mother in this way. So that's why she gave her attention to outside of the car, and she changes her mood. And what is the scene she find out outside of the window? That growing life and energy, that what he used there, that merry children is spilling and trees is sprinting, the rapidly sprinting trees alongside merrily playing children, and which is a symbolize of life. And second thing is what about childhood, because my mother was old and the thing was all those child was young. So there is a oxymoron figure of speech used by authors. Okay, so now at the next paragraph, maybe the last one, but after the airport security check means what, the poetess has been reached at the airport. Okay, so I looked again at her while saying bye. So I again looked at her. Bon Pele. Pele means what? It is a such kind of something very light color. Okay, as a late winter's moon and felt that old familiar age. So the poet is feeling the pain of separation, leaving her mother and going. Also her childhood fear of losing her mother, which she feels that earlier was temporary but now could be forever, as she could die the old days, because we all are in childhood love to our parents, but important was in the some phase we have to move further in our career, and this is the time where we have some distance relationship with our parents. So she didn't shows any expression on her face and said, "See you soon, Amma." And all I did was smile and smile and smile. So she didn't say any word and just said what, "See you soon, Amma." And she hides her sorrow as she does not want to create a painful environment for her mother and conveys her that she is enjoying her life. Similarly, her mother should also be happy and enjoy her life. So now we can understand that how simply she explained their scenario and some other things about the poem, and which is actually very imaginable, or we can say that separation is a very big thing to get those ideas, those thoughts with our parents. So this is all about the poem. Is there any query or any doubt? You can ask me. I will definitely reply you. Till then, signing off today. Okay, students. Bye.